we have a long history of using AI. And that's probably one of the reasons why generative AI, things like GPT-4 and ChatGPT, has been just so exciting for our teams because we're ready. We've been working on this for years, and this is probably the most exciting new development for TR to be able to implement within our products. We were one of the first to put a search engine out there for professionals with Westlaw, and that was a machine learning driven search engine. We're also some of the first to use natural language question answering using the precursors to GPT-4 and GPT-3, some of the transformer models, which were then used in Checkpoint Edge and Westlaw Edge in previous releases. And now we have had our teams working on generative AI for the past couple of years, some of the most exciting work that we've been doing in probably decades in AI. And TR, we are really well positioned, not just the talent, because we have an experienced and a large team working on AI, but also because of our content and our editorial experts. So the first problem that almost any AI company out there has to solve is to get the content to be able to either produce training or to be able to validate the models that they build. And we have that across all of our businesses. We also have editors and tax experts that have the knowledge to be able to create new data and new knowledge for future training. And we've been involving them in the process all along the way as we've been developing products. So much of the conversation right now around generative AI is around how it's going to disrupt our customers. A lot of the conversation is, hey, what is this going to mean for lawyers and accountants? Our products do two things for our customers. We either help them with finding answers and getting information, so an information retrieval problem, or we help them to produce their work product. That could be a brief, it could be a contract, it could be a tax return. And we have software and tools to help them to produce that work product. And it just so happens, generative AI is really great at those two problems. It's really great at helping to find information and synthesize it, as well as to automate the production of work product. Even in our early research, we found that combining LLMs or generative AI technology like GPT-4 with our Westlaw databases, we've seen early results that could improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of research by many-fold over our previous products. So again, I think there's a huge opportunity, and it's going to apply across all of our research products, not just Westlaw. I think it'll be Practical Law, Checkpoint, any place where we're trying to provide answers to our customers. I think it could be improved substantially. So generative AI, I think, could be one of the most revolutionary technologies to impact the legal, the tax, and the accounting industries for potentially in decades. I think it could be as revolutionary as the spreadsheet for accounting or the web browser for information retrieval. And so just like when those technologies came out, there was a question, what will this do to those industries? And I think what we saw was that those that adapted and embraced the technology became effective and more efficient. And so I think that once we get those products out in the market, once we see the applications of generative AI for professionals, we will see professionals become supercharged and augmented by these technologies, that they will be more effective and more efficient to be able to deliver the value that they offer to their customers.